By now you know that whenever you come to my channel, you're gonna have brutal honesty, and I'm very transparent, and I just am the way I am. So it's probably no shock to you that I effed this whole thing up. And I thought about lying to you and just saying that this was an ombre tutorial and excluding the ugly, horrendous leopard spots. But then I thought to myself, people do not just come to my channel, air quotes, to learn. They come to my channel for some R&R, some real ratchetness, and to distract themselves and to have a good time. So let's go ahead and start the world's ugliest hand-painted glitter leopard spot tutorial. Now, in my defense, I would like to say that I have painted some beautiful leopard spots in my day, okay? I don't know what happened. I really think that I got a little too crazy. You know when you're gonna go out somewhere and you're like, I have to look beautiful, and you overdo it? You do it all. Like, you do your hair too much, you do your makeup too much, your outfit's over the top, and then you end up looking crazy, right? You end up looking crazy. I feel like that's what I did here. Because the ombre and the colors, the ombre is beautiful. However, I really think that nope, I just fucked up the leopard spots. I mean, there's no way around it. They're hideous. I got a little too bougie, and instead of just doing like the circular ones, to go back and do the little like outer part of the leopard spot, I got fancy with the shapes. And then when I came back in to add the outside part, I was like, what's going on? And the more I did it, the uglier it got. And I just want you to know that I was cackling while I was making this. And I was like, what should I do? Should I lie? Should I, I don't know what to tell the girls. They think I'm great. And here I am delivering these hideous leopard spots. I mean, the hairs on my butt crack are prettier than these leopard spots. But I feel like you're still going to learn how to do a leopard spot. Just do it beautiful, not like mine. So technically, I am teaching you how to do leopard spots. I'm just teaching you to tone it down and not make them as ugly and bulky as mine. You know what I'm saying? No shame in my game though, because here I am still posting the tutorial no matter what. You know what I'm saying? Because I love you guys and I'm transparent. And if you guys can get a good laugh at my expense, that's all that matters to me. And anyone that's gonna come to my channel and be sad when they get here but leave with a smile, that's all that matters to me. That's all that matters to me. My entire air quote career in the tumbler industry has been mistakes and being open about how imperfect I am. Is imperfect saying non-perfect? Imperfect. Non-perfect. Whatever the word is. English is hard. It's my second language, guys. I'm barely hanging on, okay? I barely know my ABCs. Okay, so see, we were off to a good start right here, right? Okay, here I was like, yes, bitch, yes, you're a boss. Oh my gosh, yes, queen. I was hyping myself up. I thought my farts didn't stink. I was like, yes, queen, yes, yes. I was like, mesa que más aplauda, mesa que más aplauda, le mando la niña. But then, right, then I started doing this, okay? I started getting crazy with the shapes. This right here was a turning point, okay? Don't do this. Just do the little circular blobs, okay? If you do just a little curve like this one is fine because it's easy to go, like it's beautiful when you go back in and do your second color on the leopard spot. But I'm about to show you where I effed up, okay? It was at this exact moment right here, okay? I wish I could go back in time and be like, no, estúpida, los leopard spots. But I can't. I can't. It's too late. Look at that. Oh, no. Oh, my God. So the shape is beautiful, right? It's beautiful. So I either should have left it with no outlines or I should have just stuck to these little circular, blobby shapes. If you want my honest opinion, stick to just these one-sided little loop thingies that I'm doing here and then the little circular ones. Don't do the ones that are like two loops facing each other. That's where I messed up. And then trying to cover it up with the shadow blue, it just became into a bigger mess. So anyway, what are you guys having for lunch today? What's going on? What's everybody doing? How's everybody? I miss you guys. I hope you miss me. And I hope you're enjoying this video. I know you're probably going to walk away from this not learning anything, but yeah, what's new? What's new here? I feel like this is the Wish version of a YouTube channel. You come here not to learn, but to know what not to do. And hopefully you'll leave with a little chuckle. You know what I'm saying? That's all that matters, right, guys? Is this just me making excuses because I made some ugly ass leopard spots? I just a baby. But in all seriousness, guys, I'm going to redeem myself, okay? And as a matter of fact, just because I'm so upset at these leopard spots, Saturday's video, I'm making an entire design. Okay, and I had a different cup in the works for Saturday, but no. Now I'm gonna work day and night to make sure I've got a leopard spot design for Saturday because I know I can do this. I know that I can, okay? So, not me acting like I'm gonna teach now. Now what you wanna do is take your sausage finger and pat it down to make it lay flat, okay? And then you're gonna go in with your black, which here's another thing, right? This beautiful, gorgeous, like emerald, hollow, color shift color, I think was a little too dark for me to do the black spots on top. That is another spot where I think I messed up. I think I should have chosen just overall completely different colors, or I should have stuck to just having leopard spots on the bottom. Dang, I should have done that. If I would have just done those teal color leopard spots on the black part and left the teal part on top alone, this could have actually been pretty cute. Ugh, I swear. I'm having all the regrets right now. But I mean, not too much regret because I feel like are we having fun? I want to know if you've giggled at least once while you've been watching this, because if you have, if this video has made you smile, then I'm glad I decided not to be fake and lie about how ugly my spots were and just be like, hey guys, this is a tutorial on how to get an ombre, and then be done. Okay? I said no, don't be fake, not to the baddies. So I decided to put myself out there, and here I am. Okay? You know what? These leopard spots are so ugly that I think we should name them. We should name them fea spots, feo spots, hitty spots. Can you guys hear that fighter jet outside my house? It's literally shaking my windows and my doors. Freedom! Freedom! And I'm proud to be an American where at least I know I'm free. Literally, guys, do you hear the windows clacking? I'm not going to edit this out, okay? I'm on a roll here. I can't edit this out. So then you want to go ahead and pinch the glitter, just like if you were grabbing some oregano to put in your pozole or your menudo, and you just sprinkle, 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 glitter, glitter. Okay, but on a different note, can we talk about how cute my nails look, guys? Aren't they so, oh, they're covered in glitter. Never mind. But, you know, before they were covered in glitter, they were super cute. I feel like they sort of kind of match my silicone mat. Speaking of silicone mats, how cute is Yvette's silicone mat? It's so beautiful, you guys. Eventually I'll remove, you know, everything and you'll be able to see it, or I think you were able to see it at the beginning of the video, but it's so beautiful. It's got beautiful colors. It says Glitter Bestie and Maestra Creations at the bottom. You guys, I will link where you can get this silicone mat in the description. And of course, you do know I have a code that'll save you money, but you can only use this code on her website. It will not work on my OnlyFriends site, okay? If you want my OnlyFriends content, you got to pay for that, okay? Because these feet pics ain't for free. Okay. Also, did you guys know that some people are making a living out of selling farts in a jar? I mean, like, genuinely. Guys, look it up. I'm not even lying. So I know times are tough right now. And listen, I got some festering in here, guys. Like, I could make some bank, okay? Like, do you have any idea how many times a week Mexicans eat beans? Do you know what beans do to somebody's stomach? Do you have any idea the power behind that kind of fart? And if I put it in a jar and it festered in there, are you kidding me? Anyway, Since painting leopard spots isn't going to work out for me, I guess I'll just sell farts in a jar. Hee hee. I'll see you on Saturday. Besitos.